Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Triple ZZ Gamers. Always remember to like and subscribe. I wanna do a next rebuild. I don't think I wanna really do any rebuild on that vehicle, but I wanna show you. I wanna use that car and drive it. The car that I'm about to use now, I'm gonna use it and drive it. Go to the next garage. That's my garage that I built to hold some car that I actually own. So I'm gonna change off some clothes, casual jacket, that outfit, tuxedo. Just wanna keep it simple. Shoes, vest, just some simple stuff. So I'm gonna take the next car out to show you some of my car collection. So this is one of my car out here. I hardly drive this car. I don't know why. That's my bike. I hardly ride the bike too. Hardly ride the bike. I'm not gonna ride it today. As you can see, it's a bike that I love, but I don't know why. I hardly do any real riding with that bike. But in the last video, I changed the color on this porch. I done some scratches on it as well, as you can see. I didn't really want to reach home, so I'll have to rectify that another time. But this black beast, guys, this is a beast. I really want you to, oh my god, listen at that. Wow, it's quick. It's a beast, I'm telling you. All right. Oh my god, guys, I want to show you it better, give you a more better view of this car. Look at that, guys. Look at this piece. Look at the rear diffuser. Oh my gosh. My gosh. It's a beast to look at. It's so aggressive. So I'm gonna take it to the other garage where I have some, quality car. Some, quality car there. Wow. It's so aggressive. My gosh, I don't want to damage it neither. You hear that beast? And the brake on it's actually good. Very low. I think this one more quicker than the Porsche, and it more aggressive. I only drive it on certain occasion. Oh, thanks. She said she loved the car. This is one of actually own a plane too. I hardly don't know why, but these days I hardly take any plane. I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to show you the plane that I bought. I have so many stuff just going on. Hear that powerhouse. I think I'm gonna buy a next car. Don't know what type. I would like you guys to help me out. I actually did buy Bugatti, but I don't know. I just don't like that kind of Bugatti that I bought. But I don't know. Well, a lot of traffic on the road. Don't want to damage this car. As you can see, it's very expensive, so don't want to do any stupid driving. I really have some project that, some mission that I want to do, but there's so much that going on for me right now. Actually break the stoplight, guys. So I have some project going on, but I don't know. I have some mission that I wanna upload. Just keep on subscribing, so as soon as I do those mission and upload it, you guys can have it. But for now, I'm just showing you my car collection. Look on the spec. It's really aggressive. Wow.
This shit.
I think I can drive this route and get around here. Don't know if actually reach the garage now, guys. So as you can see, I actually own this building. Yes. So these are my other car. As you can see, this one over here, if you should watch some of my video, I done a latest rebuild on this nice machine. Really nice, really aggressive. this one I haven't drive it as yet. Don't know. The both of them actually the same, but I think I'm gonna leave the black one over here. I don't know if I should leave it. What do you think, guys? Should I leave this one and bring home this piece back home? Let me know what in the comment. But I think I want to drive this one. This is a Burgos Stallion. Let's show you some of the things that I own. I'm not gonna drive this car, guys. I just wanna show you these stuff. Okay. Alright, this is the one that I'm gonna drive. My God. It is a beast, guy. Take a look at it. At it. Wow. This is a black beast, guys. I just want to show you I don't think I'm gonna drive this one go home. Very aggressive, guys. Very aggressive. I just want to show off you that car. So I think I'm gonna go back home in this one, guys. So those are some of the car that I own. I'm thinking about to purchase another car.
You damn fool! Well, damn, excuse me. I thought you were a cracker.
So as you can see,
What in the world? Holy shit!
Very aggressive.
Hey, let's meet up next week.
So those are some of the cars that are actually owned. So I'm just actually going home. Just about to reach home.
You an asshole, driver.
Guys, I have money so I'm gonna do some repair on this car. I didn't want to take it to the garage. I will see you guys in the morning. So this is where I live. So I will see you in the morning. I'm gonna take a nap again. So thanks for watching, guys.